Hey guys, here I'll be making Karahi Gosht in the Instant Pot. Before we get started, please subscribe to my channel and make sure to click on the bell so you can get notified when we post a video. So let's get started. So what I'll be using are 4 small tomatoes cut about 500 grams, 1 kilogram of beef with bones, 1 tablespoon of ginger paste, 1 tablespoon of minced garlic, half a cup of oil, 1 packet of National's Karahi Gosht packet, and my Instant Pot. So first I'm going to put the Instant Pot on saute mode, and then I'm going to add the oil. Once the oil is heated, I'm going to add my tomatoes. Now I'm going to add the beef, the ginger, and the garlic. I'll also be adding the spice packet. I'm gonna let this fry a bit until water releases from the tomatoes. The meat is at the same level as the water from the tomato, so I'll not add more water. Now I'm gonna cover my Instant Pot, and I'm gonna make sure that the valve is on sealing. Then I'm going to set it on high pressure for 20 minutes, followed by a natural release. Make sure the pin is dropped before you open the pot. Smells so good. If you like to have less gravy, then you can set your pot on saute and burn off some water. I like to have a lot of gravy, so I'll leave it just the way it is. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe and share my video.